Good morning, everybody. All right. Running a cool 33 degrees on the back porch in the shade. Yes, we got plenty of sun today, but they say they're going to get very high, just about 50, 53, something like that. All right, welcome once again from the beautiful, and I do mean beautiful, Tyler, Texas. Yes. All right. We're getting into World of Warships. We're going to go up here. We're going to get killed or we're going to kill something. All right. Special thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers. I greatly appreciate your views, your comments.
Waiting instructions.
Yes. All right.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Because you are what make this channel grow. Yes, you are. All right. Like it, give it a thumbs up. You don't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, check all that way you get everything I bring when I bring it. All right. Comment. It don't cost you nothing. Comment. All right. Works with the algorithm, gets us seen by more people, therefore helping the channel. Yes, it does. All right. Mercy. Off to a little bit of a slow start. Of course, this ship ain't very fast. Y'all know that. We in the Iron Duke, we're going to get out here and make a showing anyway. All right.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon. Enemy battleship detected. Enemy cruiser sighted.
That destroyer went bye-bye. Bye-bye, birdie. Oh, whopping 22 knots, yes. Well, actually, that's not real bad. But it just seems really slow to me compared to others. All right. We'll get a shot off here sooner or later. Sure like to know where you all viewing from. Drop your city in the comments if you would. I would greatly appreciate it. That way I know who's seeing from where. Yes, all right. So check in, everybody. Check in. Oh, I know you didn't just shoot that mess at me. Oh, yes, you did. All right. Come on, Daddy gonna play. Yeah, you got my attention now, buddy boy. Come on, bring it. Bring it. Is that the best you can do?
Airborne. Enemy severely damaged. Torpedoes dead ahead. Awaiting instructions. Torpedoes direct front.
Autopilot mode disabled.
We're below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Problem solved, sir. Torpedoes to port. Torpedoes to port.
Told you Daddy had something for
We're
me.
below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Main turret critically damaged. Critical engine
Ouch.
damage.
Nasty.
The ship is on fire.
I think you got me, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna recover. Nope, I didn't recover. He got me. Dang. Damn it. I took him, didn't I? Yes, I did. Uh-huh. Yeah, we'll jump battle, get into another one, all right? Yes, let's do it. I guess what he had was enough. Just couldn't control the fires. Uh-huh. Okay. Took the day off yesterday. I was waiting on a phone call. It never come. And then I got to watching the race. And, that's the first race I've watched, and I can't remember when. Heck, it's been so long I didn't know half the people on the track, I tell you. But boy, that last 40 laps was something. The way that car did that front end wheel stand and then flipped over, my gracious. Yes. I ain't never seen a car do anything like that. I see him get up and flip over backwards, but to flip up, go into a barrel roll, I mean, you don't see that often. Alright. I've been watching one of my viewers. He does
Awaiting instructions.
sport videos, EA Sports, and he's sort of got me to the point I'm starting to watch sports a little bit. Still don't know what's going on half the time, but I'll catch up sooner or later or sooner. I never have been much of a sports geek.
Reinforced sighted on the horizon.
Now, I used to watch racing quite a bit when I was younger, but that's been forever ago. And I mean forever ago. Come on, guns. Torpedoes took him out. Oh shoot, we got another destroyer. He went down, okay. It went down before my planes got there.
Torpedoes, direct front. Awaiting instructions. Airborne.
Owie, he hit me pretty good.
Awaiting instructions. Ship is on fire. Problem solved, sir. The ship is on fire. Airborne.
He went down.
Ship destroyed.
Awaiting instructions.
Boy, I took on some damage, didn't I? Mercy. I got to defend on that. No. Took that area. Okay. So I missed it. come back. I miss you. Oh, he's running. Okay. Well, he's running the wrong way. The fight's over here. I'm just running as fast as this little 22 knots will carry me. I'm wanting the Queen Elizabeth, but I can't get that until I get this one. Now that I got this one, I gotta save up so I can get that next ship. Anyway, I got the kill for it.
Enemy battleship foundered.
Problem solved, sir.
Where's that other guy at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, you're right over here. Right over there.
Waiting
There you
instructions.
are.
Autopilot mode enabled.
Yeah, he's the last ship. He running. Trying to knock a little wind out of his sail. He's much faster than I am. I slowed him down a little bit. Yeah, he's out of my range now. I have to wait till I get turned around and headed that way, but they'll have him by that time. There he went. Alright, there's you a couple quick battles this morning. We'll get you some more. How about that? Alright. Y'all be careful. Y'all be kind. May God bless you and keep you.